Here are glimpses from the first People's Health Assembly in Savar, December 2000, where the People's Charters for Health was formulated and endorsed. With gratitude to friends who shared with me images and narratives during the charter survey that I conducted. This video and PowerPoint are dedicated to Dr. Nidal El-Mensi and the young activists who are struggling for health.
Che mi sento di morire. E se io muoio da partigiano, oh bella ciao, ciao, ciao. E se muoio da partigiano, tu mi devi seppellire.
In his PowerPoint, People's Health in People's Hands, Hani Siraj summarizes the first People's Health Assembly. The following are narratives by people who have attended People's Health Assembly in December 2000. Hani reflects on the process and he says that it was highly democratic, where there were daily sessions designated for the discussion of the Charter word by word. Ravi shared with us useful documents and he welcomes particularly the young people from PHM to contact him for a Zoom meeting or dialogue or a reflective time. In his reflective note, Dr. Ghassan Isa gave a tribute to our late comrade Mahmoud al Masri. He also highlighted the causes of causes and the meaning of health for all now. Ghassan shared with us images from the pre-assembly meetings in Cyprus and two slides, "We are not alone." Natasha confirms that the principles of the People's Charter for Health are still valid 22 years later, and more so during the times of the global pandemic. These slides have been highly enriched by the personal archives of Dr. Mohammed Mensi. Uh, Dr. Mohammed was there in 2000 and 2018. Dr. Mansi talked about the grandiose and inspirational times at Savar, Bangladesh. He also hopes that his son Nidal and his colleagues will stand by him in this struggle for health.
Questo è il fiore del partigiano. Oh bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Questo è il fiore del partigiano, morto per la libertà. Questo è il fiore del partigiano, morto per la libertà. Questo è il fiore del partigiano.